Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video and to learn OneNote. We want as many people as possible to learn how to work effectively with tools like OneNote, Office 365 and Surface. So please refer this series to your friends and colleagues. If you really want to have an impact with your team, the most effective way is to set aside time each week to improve your digital skills. You can set up this process in your organization with our Microsoft 365 coaching programs. Check out the link below to see our instructor-facilitated coaching programs and contact us for more information. Are you ready to get productive with OneNote? OneNote includes an incredible immersive reader that can read your documents back to you. With OneNote 2016, you'll need to download and install learning tools. You can find it at onenote.com/learning tools. Learning Tools is an amazing set of tools that Microsoft developed for the education market several years ago, and it's found its way now into all sorts of Office applications, including Word and Outlook, and even into a standalone app. To have OneNote read your page back to you, click on Learning Tools, Immersive Reader. Press the play button, and OneNote will begin reading back your page to you.
But I can also read text in a picture or screenshot.
Now, the amazing thing about this feature is that it will read any content that's on your page, whether it's typed text, text in a picture, or even your handwritten notes. As the immersive reader reads the content to you, you'll notice that it has changed the format of the text to make it easily readable on screen, and it shows you or highlights each word as it reads it to you. But you can go further and change the appearance of the fonts and spacing, and you can even have the immersive reader show you the nouns, verbs, and adjectives in the text, even the syllables. Now you can have your pages read to you out loud, so you're ready to get productive with OneNote.